Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today I got one of the baddest watch faces on the planet today. Now this one is coming from Nucleon. It's been a while since he's been on the channel, but I'm telling you, with this watch face, he knocked it out of the park. I'm talking about Grand Slam knocked out of the park, right? Now the name of the watch face is called Baddest Photo Timepiece. Listen, don't go nowhere. I know you heard photo and you're thinking this is like any other watch face, but I'm telling you, it is not. This one is totally off the charts. All right, but I will tell you this: you might want to get your popcorn, your milk and cookies, your pizza, whatever you need to get comfortable. I don't know how long this is going to take because I got to go through all the features and functions and what you can do with this watch face so you can get a clear picture as to what you're going to be downloading when you download this watch face. All right, and I might check with him to see if he can give me one or two watch faces to give away, because this one here is super bad. All right, with that being said, let's get started. Now, all of you all want to know about the always on mode, and I can't show you exactly one always on mode because it's all depending on how you customize your watch face, right? But I can give you a look to see how it can possibly look depending on how you customize your watch face, which is going to look totally awesome. Again, it's up to you. This watch face almost don't have no limits. So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check the watch face out, right? Now, first of all, you got two dials. Those have two different countries in them with times of those countries, which looks awesome. You get a digital time in the middle. You get an analog hands as well, which means you get the best of both worlds. You get your month, you get your date, and you also get your battery info to the left, to the right. You get a moon phase, right? Everything you can possibly need out of a watch face, right? So let's check this one out. Now, this is how you customize it. I like that second hand as well, right? So let's go ahead, let's single tap. And I don't want to start with this one. Let's go ahead and start with something else first. The hands. Now with the hands, what I could do is, you see it's pink, right? I left it like that for a reason. You can customize the color of the hands. You see it change? Very subtle because the hands are small, right? Now, if I want to change the hands, I could tap it once. You only have a couple of them, right? But if you want to get rid of the hands and you just want digital time, you can do so, right? Which I thought was really nice. Also, if I tap right here, I could change this as well to different language. I'm gonna leave it at English. And I'm gonna go to, if I want to get rid of that, or if I want to change the color, I can change the color however I like, and or I can get rid of it. So if I want to create a certain look out of this watch face, I can. But I like that. Let's leave that up, right? Now, if I want to go to the next one, just tap. Now I got more customization. Of course, I can customize the color. Takes you through a few of them, right? I can customize the font, which is nice, right? You can give it whatever look you want to give it. And I can change it from 24 hours to 12 hours, however I see fit. It's up to you, right? And again, I could change this up here to whatever country I would like, right? And or I can circle, make a circle out of it, and I can go ahead and give it a different look and or get rid of it. So I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna tap here to go to the next one. Now, if I don't want the moon phase, I could simply just get rid of the moon phase, right? Let's go to the next one. So if I don't want that digital time, I can get rid of it, or I can change the color of the digital time and the date that's up under the bottom. It's not a bad look at all. I can also change the font, cycle through some of the fonts. Nice, right? And again, I can change it from 12 to 24 hours. I'm a 12 man. And or I can get rid of it. So I can give it a clean look if I want to, right? And I can do the same thing with the dials. So if I don't want the dials, or if I just want to customize the color or the font, I can customize however I see fit, right? And I keep going up here. Let me leave that alone. And I can get rid of it. All right, so let's leave it like that. Let's go to the next one. Now this is a heart, right? I like this one because of course you can customize it however you see fit, right? And or you can add a picture, right? And I'm gonna add my wife and my baby. Let me get to it. All right, hit the check mark. Now I get a different picture, but this is in the way, right? That don't look good. All right, so let's go back in, tap the center. Let's cycle through till we get to that one. Because we need to get rid of that one. Because we want to give it a nice look. All right, there we go. Right there. So that's what you can do with this watch face. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. Very nice look. I'm telling you, the developer got down on this watch face. What do you think, people? Because I like it. And if you want to put it back, You can. Now remember, your always on display is going to look different according to how you have this customized. I'm telling you, I'm going to give this developer, and I've never given anybody else this before, I'm going to give them 8 thumbs up on this one, because I'm telling you, this guy went through the roof with this one. So that's it, people. That is it. I don't know if I didn't show you anything. Let's go back through again. Let's add some stuff back. Let's add the hands, right? Maybe we keep the analog look going. Let's add the dial. No, I wouldn't keep that out the way. We can go here. Let's get rid of it. We can add it at the bottom if we like though, right? Just to have one of them. Just to have one of them. There we go. And that's it. All right, people, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, because I'm telling you, Nucleon knocked this one out of the park. I love it. And with that, people, make sure you hit the like button on the way out, because it does help the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I got some more videos coming. Hopefully some more product reviews. And listen, people, your family, welcome. All right, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.